Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to unlock your phone without any passcode or computer, how you can reset your phone without any passcode or computer. If you have forgotten your phone password, don't worry. I will tell you in this video step by step how you can unlock your phone without any passcode or computer. So, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So, let's start the video without wasting any time. Guys, please make sure that you have a second phone to fix this problem. You have to need another phone to fix this problem. In my case, I am using my second Android phone. So, guys, first of all, you have to open your phone browser like that. Simply type your iCloud.com. Click on iCloud. It will show a screen like that. Click on sign in. So here we are. Guys, it is must to remind that you have to sign in with the same Apple ID that was logged in on the phone which password you have forgotten. In my case, I am signing here the same Apple ID that was signed in by this phone. So sign in with the same Apple ID. Click on find device. Guys, you can see here is the list of devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. Click on your device. Click on erase iPhone. Click on continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. Yeah. Now your phone is asking two-factor authentication. Put here the verification code. Guys, this section is optional. You do not have to put anything in this section. Just simply click on next. Just simply click on done. Erase started. Wait for a few seconds until your phone started erasing. As you can see, your phone has started erasing. Now simply remove from this account. It will help you while this phone setup. Guys, as you can see, I have removed from this device, so there is no further need of this phone. Wait for a few seconds until your erase completed. So here we are, our phone has erased completely, our phone has reset completely. Now let me set up this phone. Simply click on your language and find your country. Select your country, set up manually, continue. Guys, please connect your device with the Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Guys, I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time. So guys, welcome to iPhone. Your phone has erased completely. Your phone has been unlocked and is able to use. So get started. Here we are. Your phone has erased completely. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.